Here's how you can add backgrounds in your Messages app. Open Messages. Navigate to the thread you want to change. Click on the person's name. Click on Backgrounds. You can choose from your photos, which are the suggestions here. You can choose a color or one of these other options. So let's see what that would look like. Click on color. And then you can scroll through each of the different versions. You can change them if you want to have different colors. You can change either color. You can choose from the preset options. Some of them have movement and some of them are static. You can choose from your own photos. Take a look at what that would look like. And when you're ready, just click the Done button, the checkbox at the top, and it will add that background to both your side and their side in the Messages app. Maybe if you just came back from a trip and you had some shared photos, maybe you could use one of those photos as your background in your conversation. So maybe you just had a beach trip. You could share this photo in the conversation and you would both see the photo. If you choose to keep that one, just click the Done button, the check at the top, and then that will show on both your conversation and from their phone. If you decide you don't like it, just go ahead and click the name again, go back to Backgrounds and tap None. Thanks for watching. See you next time.